Okay, Brother Jimson, any thoughts?
Ang pinaka-favorite na ko moment is katong the second time nga niadto ko sa temple. So first time nga niadto ko is nag-promise ko sa iya nga when I come back, I will have my own testimony and own desire to go and serve on a mission. And at that second time nga niadto ko sa temple, I felt that he was beside me saying, I love you and I'm very proud of you.
Okay, thank you so much, Brother Jimson. So anyone nga ganahan mag-share about sa question? Okay, Sister Celine?
Malipanan ko nga i-share ako ang nabati.